Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are over at Walgreens today, which is Sunday, August the 7th. You might want to stick around till the end of the video if you like little giveaways. There might be something, or I might be being a liar again, because this is what I do on this channel. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I know just a lot of you find that funny. I don't know why. First deal we're going to talk about is a really spectacular one. So we're going to look at some deals on their own, and then we're going to look at some deals with some boosters, because I know that not everybody gets boosters. And I don't know, but one day when I'm in charge, I'll give everybody a booster. First deal we're going to talk about is picking up 3 of these Dial body washes, this 16 fluid ounce. So in store, I know a lot of you like to look at the tags and like, where do I find this? Find it in the body wash aisle. It is 2 for $8. We're grabbing 3 of them for $12 on the nose. And we're going to take a quick peek at the tag so you can really see it closely. And the verbiage on the tag is to buy 3 of them and get back a $5 store register reward. And yes, it printed out for me this morning. And I got that weird mix and match of 1 gentle and then 2 of the pinky ones. This is the digital coupon that you have to load, which is a $2 off of 2. I guess it's better than a kick in the pants. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA account, we have $1 back for each. So that is like really super uber generous. So it really makes the deal quite fantastic. So looking at this deal on its own, grabbing 3 of those body washes, it's 12. Subtracting that 2 off of 2, you're paying 10. Getting back $5 register reward, $3 back from Ibotta. It makes it the 3 body washes for $2 or 66 cents each. So double, triple check that you have that Ibotta rebate. And if you like inexpensive body wash, this is definitely the deal to do. And it is quite spectacular this week. And we have a nice, cute $5 store coupon. So definitely like a deal to do for some cheap body wash. And yeah, it's really great. Another deal that I thought was really great that I did was these smaller Palmolive dish soaps. They are 99 cents this week. They were not tagged this morning. We have a 50-cent digital, dropping it down to 49 cents. A really great little item to throw into your basket. One deal I didn't do because I stocked up so big the last time they did it is the Arm & Hammer. I believe it's the liquid, these, and also the scent beads for $1.99. Again, my store was not tagged. But a really good stock up price, especially with that store register reward, or if you want to do something on the cheap, it's really, really good to stock up at this price. Now we have our friend, the Rimmel Cosmetics, at 40% off. We have a couple coupons in the mix here, making it super uber cheap. I think the easiest way to probably find all this makeup is to do a curbside pickup and throw a bunch in a basket and see how the math is balancing. Unless you want to go in the store, you'd be looking specifically for the $2.99 or the $3 cosmetics. And there was a whole mess of it. Unfortunately, I just did not want to. It's easier to do this deal curbside, so I will be looking at it tomorrow morning and showing you my finds. But just to show you the digital coupons that you can attach, obviously this IVC, and see how like qualifying products, like how cheap that would be for the little face powder, the little mascara, all the different products that they have. These are the digital coupons. We have a $2 off a Rimmel Eye. So it makes it really inexpensive. And this is a manufacturer that you can stack with that Walgreens coupon that I just showed you in the slides previous. So $2 off. This is only a one-time though, the manufacturer, along with the $2 off for an eye, lip, or face product. So we will look at this a little bit more tomorrow. But yeah, it's just a way to get this Rimmel on the cheap if this is the makeup that you want. I didn't buy any today. I guess I'm kind of boring, but I will look at this as a curbside because you have more options to really see, what do they have? How will this work out? But very inexpensive Rimmel cosmetic. Free or very, very cheap. Final deal that we're going to look at, guys, is with the Colgate. And I thought they might be providing new $2 or 4 off of 2 digital. I didn't see it this morning, but one of my store cards, I didn't really do this deal last week. We had a $2 last week on the brush and a $2 last week on the paste. So I was able to utilize both of those. And when you buy 2 of these, you get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And just to show you the digitals that we had last week, again, I didn't do this deal on all my store cards. That's why I still had them. Let me know in the comments below if you might have seen new Colgate coupons. I certainly didn't, but I was also checking first thing this morning as I went shopping, like at the crack of crow. Okay, guys. Here's the mathematics, grabbing 2 of those Colgates for $7.98. So 1 brush and 1 paste, that's $7.98 at $3.99 a pop. Subtracting the two $2 coupons, that's $4 off right there. Pay $3.98, get $4 back in Walgreens cash, making this free. If you have a little bit of Walgreens cash on your store card and you wish to use it, absolutely go for it. This is just a cheap dental care deal or a free dental care deal. If you have the digital coupons to use, it's really great. Next 2 deals that we're going to look at are both with boosters. I got a 5 back when I spend $22. Now I did this deal because I had a whole bunch of weird things stacking with it. This specific pump for $12.79, and I know as a curbside pickup it is a little bit cheaper, but I was in store and I had to get to 22, so I just thought, you know what, whatever. It is what it is. I'll just get it. So $12.79 for this guy. We have a digital coupon for this product, which is a 5 off of 2. Valid right till the 20th. At the very least, load this. There might be another Dove deal. Now, from last week, I had $5 manufacturer register rewards, so I utilized both of these to get another $10 off because that was going to be an expensive little haul. Hopefully, you could follow what I'm saying. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, I had $3 back for each of these massive containers of Dove body wash. So that's $6 back. So that is not too shabby. I was very happy with that. And then over on my Fetch Rewards account, last week I bought some shampoo and I had a thing of spend 30, get back 10. How this pops up is you have to photograph a receipt with the purchase of a Unilever product and it'll start tracking. I had bought a whole bunch of stuff last week and I had $14 back. So I was like 50% there. And with this purchase, I got my $10 back. So I was like, I'm going to finish this. And that's what I did. So grabbing 2 of those massive body washes, it's $25.58. I had a 5 back when you spend 22 booster loaded. I gave 2 $5 manufacturer register rewards, and the 5 off of 2 also came off. With my debit card, I paid $10.58, and then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, plus a $5 register reward for spending like $20 on these products. I also got back $6 from IBOTTA, 3 for each, and then that $10 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making this free, plus a $5.42 moneymaker. If you don't want to count the 2 register rewards that I use, the $10 in register rewards, that's what it would be. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using a booster. And this is just a really good cleanup deal. That Fetch Rewards rebate is expiring today, which is the 7th. So definitely double, triple check if you might have it. Perhaps this might be a deal for you. And just to show you, this is the 5 back when you spend 20. It's a store coupon. So it's a little something, right? The final deal that I have is with yet another booster. So I did this on Hubby's store card, which is 5 back when you spend 20. They gave me really generous boosters this week, and I got 2 of them. It wasn't the usual one of doom of spend 60, get back, 10 or whatever it is. So just to show you what I got in this basket, I got 3 of the Dial body washes for $12, the 99-cent Palmolive, and then $7.98 for the 2 Colgate products that include 1 brush and 1 paste. The digital coupons that I had loaded for this deal include the 2 off of 2, the 50 center for the Palmolive, and then these 2 $2 coupons for the Colgate dental care products. Looking at the math for this basket, 2 of the Colgates is $7.98. The 1 Palmolive is 99 cents, and the 3 Dial body washes is $12 on the nose, for a total of $20.47. 5 back when you spend 20, booster is loaded. I had $6.50 of digital manufacturers that came off right there. With my debit card, I paid $14.47. I got back $9 in Walgreens cash. 5 for the booster, and then 4 for the Colgate. I also got back $5 register reward for the Dial, and then $3 back from IBOTTA for the Dial body wash, making this haul free, plus a $2.53 moneymaker. Let's not forget to not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using that goofy booster. And just to give you guys a quick peek, this is the register reward that I got back. It's the store coupon for purchasing those 3 Dial body washes. Okay, so before I take off, let's have a little giveaway. $10 gift card if you're interested. So you have to be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio or Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. One entry per shopper, and the winner will be picked on Friday, August the 12th. Their name and comment will be the top pinned comment to this video. So that is the winner. This is completely free to enter. You do not have to pay a cent. I pay for the gift card and the shipping. So good luck. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.